Welcome to United by Trucks. I'm Robbie and today we're at the C10 Nationals in Maggie Valley, North Carolina. Well, you've seen a lot of trucks come in. We've been working the booth. We're about to get out and show you some more of the trucks that are here. Y'all hang tight. We're going to bring them to you right here on United by Trucks. What are you doing, girl?
They're having a blast.
Are you having fun?
Do you want to get in the hot tub tonight, or do you want to go look for an ice cream shop? Oh, good Lord, that's a woman right there.
Dude, what'd you win?
Top 50.
Top 50? For blue collar?
Yeah.
Dang.
That's what happens. You go to have a good time, don't expect nothing, and you still get something.
Because you've been hanging out under the UBT booth. It's the shirt.
It's definitely the shirt. TTR's good luck.
Oh man, dude, good on you. Blue collar deserves it.
Appreciate that.
That's a cool truck.
C143.
Man, you got some abs and some pics all of a sudden.
Yep, it's a little cold out though.
Davis.
That's what he does in his spare time at the fire department.
Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to United by Trucks. We had an awesome time at the Maggie Valley C10 Nationals. Big thanks to Rodney Buckner for putting on the show, making sure it all went smoothly. Had a really great time. Weather turned out awesome. Got a little hot in the afternoon, but super, super great weather. Lots of good friends and family, as you can see from the video. Man, really, really cool truck. Super stoked to see all these trucks and actually meet a lot of people even from Georgia that we'd never met before, but others who watch the channel from all across the country. Even one guy from Washington. That was really, really cool. So appreciate y'all tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Definitely like this video by smashing that thumbs up button below the screen if you like what you saw today, and leave a comment down below. What was your favorite truck we filmed today from the Maggie Valley C10 Nationals? We'll catch you next time right here on United by Trucks. Cue the music.